Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your journey card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open your Journey Rewards application on your iPhone. Then you need to make sure that you log in into your account. Now, once you log in, you need to go to the section where your digital card or the barcode is shown. Now, this is the card that you will use to collect the points or the rewards. Now, you need to check if there is an option that says add to Apple Wallet. It is going to look something like this. So when you are able to find this option, simply tap on it. Now, a preview of your card will appear on your screen. When you see that, simply tap on the option of the add button, which would be on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, this way your card will be saved in your Apple Wallet. If you don't see the add to Apple Wallet option, it simply means that you are not able to basically add your Journey Rewards card to your Apple Wallet, but you can still use your Journey card by opening its application and scanning the barcode at the checkout. Also, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, as the wallet supports may not be available in the older versions or in some regions. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.